Fofo, you've won yourself a ticket.
Can we clap for that, guys?
Clap for that. Fofo,
more than this.
You've won yourself a ticket to Kenya to do a production in Kenya, courtesy of Rwanda Air. Please take a picture with her. Where is the award? Please give me the award. Where is the award? Is that an award here? Please, we have to do this. We want their money. Please come along.
She has 2 of them.
Yes, 2 awards.
Yes.
There you go. We want their money, so we have to take these pictures nicely. Yeah?
Smile. Everyone smiles.
Potential sponsors, this is what we do when you give us your money. We make you very famous. So if you have money, bring us, and we will help you take the gospel forward. Thank you very much.
We can maybe clap for this. Can we
Thank
clap
you very
again
much.
for
Thank
this?
you very much.